Hello everyone, welcome back to another update on the Kicking Horse 4-lane construction. So as you can see in my title, I have a bonus video for you guys, or for you people, coming up. It'll pop up in the top corner. I had the privilege of unloading some rebar here on several occasions, but one time I actually videoed being down there, and it's under a viaduct, which is at before the bridge, where the bad corner was. Anyway, so I decided to do this video even though I just did a westbound one, because it's a different view. They've really come along. I don't really know if it's going to take until next fall to complete this highway. My wife found an article. I don't know where it was, but it was about the last deck concrete pour on this project. You can still see that they still need to do some no post pouring, but the deck pour is done, which means the decks are finished. They do need to do some more paving along here. Through the rock cut, there's several spots before the viaduct, like right here where we're going over right there. So this section here looks like it's probably all going to be repaved again. And the other side, if you look at the no post in the center, you can see that it's quite a bit higher than the section we're driving on. So this is that section where they cut down all the rock. They've got it all netted up with wire mesh, stop the rocks from falling on the highway. I was told that the reason why they built a viaduct rather than level the road is so that any rock slides or snow avalanches will go underneath the highway rather than onto the highway. So hopefully their idea works. So as you can see, they're just putting up here on the left-hand side, they're putting up some more wire mesh. This is all where they cut the highway down. So this is the viaduct. Now take a look in the top left-hand corner. So I was down unloading rebar, and I decided to pull out my camera, and I videoed this, and I put it on Facebook and totally forgot about it. It's not the greatest quality of video. I did it with my phone, but it is a look from underneath. That is what I was just driving on. So I thought I'd give you some interesting information there. So that's what it looks like underneath the viaduct in that particular spot. Some of them aren't that high, but anyway, so now we're starting to go down the hill, and this looks like it's all done except for putting in no posts or guardrails or whatever they're going to put in along that edge there. Looks like they have a wire or a pipe guardrail or handrail, whatever it is, but anyways, that ain't going to stop no semi from going over the edge, so I'd imagine they're going to be putting in a no post along there. So I'm getting quite excited. This project is going to be done very, very soon. Well, look at that. they're putting in no posts. How about that? And I hope you've enjoyed all my videos. Who knows, my next one could be my last one. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, send me some comments, and tell me what you think. Again, I just wanted to I gave you an Eastbound this time because I wanted to give you a different view of the work that's being done, or it has been done. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye for now.